Now that we have the cover in place and secured with a couple of our J hooks and stretch bars, we're getting ready to install the glass. You want to measure out your aluminum slats and make sure they fit on the side where the cover meets the glass. This is where your connection with the adhesive is going to be made between your aluminum slat and your glass. To screw these into the cover with your self-tapping screws.
Get through to the glass and stuff now. Some clamps with some rubber ends on them is really going to help you out to hold them in position once you get them up and once you get your tape stuck in place. In certain areas around the trim on the outside of the windows, a pair of vice grips is really good for pulling it tight while you're punching your holes through and screwing in place.
Like, how are we on the end of the metal? On the end of the metal.
Perfect. That's exactly
Yeah.
where